Somebody said they wanted to hear how quiet this was with no other noise and without me talking, so I'm gonna show you that. So that's the loudest it gets. It's halfway full. Excuse the dirtiness, I've been moving. But yeah, I've had these for a while now. And I love them. Sorry, I'm pausing to let you guys get the full effect, but yeah, and the cats, it took them a second, but they love them. They drink so much water. And these things are so easy to fill up, and they're so easy to clean. So yeah, I'm gonna buy a third one because we have 4 cats total. Eventually down the road I might buy a 4th one, but I have no regrets at all on these. Just that I didn't buy them sooner.